Testing. Testing audio. Okay. Okay, that is posted. So let's get started. What I want to take care of first is to somehow add dates to other dates. And I'm not sure whether I want to have some sort of duration object that I can just add to the date, or if I want to like make increment year, increment month methods. But if I do add a duration, I am going to have to implement the increment year, month, etc. anyway. So I think I'm going to get started with that. So I guess the easiest thing to do, if I add a year, I should get the next year. So what are my date objects? Okay. Let's see. So I think I want. Okay. If I add a date to my test epic thing, then I'll have to take it away again so I'm sure where I start. But okay, I guess that'll just let me test positive and negative. So I'm not quite ready to write a test handler or a more comprehensive test thingy, but I'm getting close. So let's see. I'll say here's our first where we're starting at. Epic year is epic dot get year. Okay, and then I'm going to add 1 year to the epic and make sure it's one more. Sorry, my cat's playing with my headphones, so I have to yell at him. Cat, go away. Thank you. Let's see. So assert equal epic year plus 1 and epic dot get year. There should be equal. Okay, now we need the add years function. So this is void. Of course, it's not const. Let's see, so this is tricky because all I have saved is I have a TM saved. That's a struct. Can I just add one to the year field? Will that work? I need to look at the documentation. I mean, it's just a bunch of fields. It's a struct. I should just be able to like TM year and then add 1 to it. That's all I should have to do. I'm going to do that. Okay. Void. Hopefully this works. I was expecting this to be so much more difficult. I call that mdate time dot TM year. Okay, there's an edge case here if I'm on February 29th. Okay, first I'm going to make sure this works, then I'll write a test case for leap years. There's going to be something I'm going to forget, and it will be very painful to debug. This isn't working. Oh, right, I need to add in how many years I want to add. So this should be able to be positive or negative, I guess. Int number of years. This should work. I still have the red thing. I'm just going to build, and maybe it'll go away. God, my computer sucks. Add years is not a member of date. I did something wrong. Right, I need to add more than 1 year at a time. If I was better at Visual Studio, I probably could have just avoided that thing completely. Okay. And just to be safe, I'm going to add -1 years and make sure we're back to where we were. And I'm pretty sure this is the exact opposite of how you want to do unit testing. But I don't have a library yet, so I never actually made sure my test passed. I'll do that right now, after I build. Okay, that worked. Let's see. Okay, it looks like it passed. Okay, good. So, where was I? Okay, so we have okay. So we want February 29th of, how does February work? Does February have documentation? I think it's 28 days normally. I don't. Let's see. 29 days. 29 days in 2016 and 28 days normally. Okay. So I need to set it for February 29th. I'll do February 29th, 2016. What's the timestamp for that? I need a better constructor, too, so I don't have to keep looking this up. '16, 29th. Oh god, this is awful. Go away. Okay. Here's our timestamp. God, I hope this copies. Okay. Date. Leap year. Okay. And I'll call that, I'd better give this a readable name for the future. February 29th. Okay. So, look at year. T starting month. Actually, I'm just gonna say that's 1. But because I should really just get it from here. Get month. And yeah, we'll call that. Then we increment that by a year. Add years 1. And we should be on insert equal. So there should be 1 year past. Okay, this is. I just realized what an awful name this is since I'm actually changing the date. Okay, next episode, I am writing something to make my test less awful. Because this is really starting to get unmaintainable. I have no idea how I'm going to do that. But we'll figure that out next time. Get month. Okay, February. So this should be March 1st. OBS is down. OBS has reconnected. Okay. So it looks live on my end. How long was I down? It must have been a while. I'm going to try refreshing. That's a good trick. This sucks.